Congratulations, sir. Grabe.
Umalis sa akin eh.
Ayaw na umalis? Aalis yan pag binenta mo na sa akin, boss. Your name?
Mike.
Mike. Congratulations,
Ay,
Mike.
thank you,
Grabe.
thank you, thank you.
Ikaw yung nakakuha ng Green Arrow na Rolex. Grabe.
Oo nga eh.
So have you seen this kahit online man lang?
Doon sa sa vlog niya
Sa vlog namin.
ni Joshua.
Okay. Ayan na. This is the watch. This is what you... Kailan ka bumili ng
Mga June yun.
cellphone?
First week of June ba?
Yes.
First week of June. And how was the phone?
Actually, sulit.
Sulit naman.
Oo, sulit.
Sulit naman.
Everything.
Ayan, gamit-gamit mo.
Color
Sir,
black.
papaselfie ako mamaya.
No problem. Boss, tingnan, magkano mo binili yung cellphone?
22,999.
22,999. Tapos may libre kang almost 600, almost 700,000 na yun.
Tapos may freebies pa.
And freebies pa. Baka yung freebies pwede sa akin na lang. First Rolex ba yun, sir?
First 29.
Tunay na Rolex.
Kamusta, sir? Okay.
Okay naman.
Oo.
Congratulations,
Parang
sir.
ayaw na
Grabe.
umalis sa akin eh.
Ayaw na umalis? Aalis yan pag binenta mo na sa akin, boss.
Yung pinakamalaking premyo na kuha ko sa isang raffle was
Really?
kabang bigas.
Isang kama. Tapos
Isang
ngayon,
kabang
Rolex
bigas
na.
Rolex na.
Congratulations, boss. Grabe.
Big time na ako, sir. Joke lang.
Yan ang maganda. Yan ang dapat. Anong ginagawa niyo sa buhay, sir?
Sa ano ako, sir, sa real estate.
Real estate. So you're a broker? Agent?
Hindi, sa project development.
Project development. By profession? Engineer? Architect? Hindi naman.
Engineer.
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 Alright, sige.
Thank you.
Boss, congratulations.
Salamat,
Maraming
sir.
salamat. Let's take a picture.
Wife ko, sir, ha. 1, 2,
Hi guys, Ethan Digisman from Honor Philippines, and we're now with the grand raffle winner of the Win a Rolex or MS Grand Raffle promo for the Honor 400 5G. So, Sir Mike Salazar, out of thousands who pre-ordered, thank you very much and congratulations.
Ay, thank you.
You're now flexing your Rolex GMT Master 2 Green Arrow. So, how's the phone so far naman po? The Honor 400.
Well, so far, I'm very happy with the phone. Sobrang mabilis siya.
Yes.
Tapos, again, aliw yung AI features niya. So, na-try ko na yung erase ko na. Tapos yung from photo to video. At the end of the day, sobrang satisfied.
Pero what made you pre-order? Or at least, saan yung unang nakita si Honor 400?
Actually, nung nag-ikot lang kami doon sa mall. So, yung phone ko kasi, lagi yung mabilis na siya malobat.
Okay.
So, sabi ko nga parang, mukhang time na para maghanap ng bagong phone. So, syempre, ikot-ikot. So, we went to from one brand to another. Tapos yung last stop namin talaga was yung sa Honor.
Alright.
So, sabi ko nga, since bumili kami ng tablet last year, so baka may
So
phone
your
na bago.
first Honor device was a tablet?
Wow, it was a tablet. So, yun. Yung nakita namin, tapos it turned out parang may freebies, di ba?
Yes.
May freebies, as may chance to
Sulit
win
na
pa.
kayo din sa mga freebies?
Oo,
Ang dami,
sobra,
diba?
sobra.
So, we have the clip. Nagagamit ka na ba?
Na-test ko na siya.
Yan, test na, okay.
Na-test ko na.
Yung JBL speaker
JBL.
we have here. And of course, dahil nag-claim kayo ng first day, may G Select pa kayo. So, grabe. Ang daming freebies.
Sobrang sulit talaga.
Doon pa lang, na siya sulit na siya.
Yep.
As you mentioned, you're an engineer. How do you apply it naman every day? I mean, does it help na nag-upgrade na kayo ng phone?
Well, ginagamit ko na siya for emails. Tapos, di ba, ngayon, parang yung mga MS Teams na. So, there are times I join meetings through sa phone na din. So, sobrang useful niya.
On that one is, any plans for your price? Or as of now, is it an investment?
Sa ngayon, we'll keep it muna. So, hopefully, it appreciates faster naman. Yeah, so since first time ko to, first watch ka na ganyan yung value, so iti-treasure ko muna. So, maraming salamat sa Honor Philippines. So, bukod dun sa napakagandang phone, ang daming freebie, tapos, napakaswerte ko talaga for my new Rolex.
Flex na sir. Yeah. Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Thank you, Honor Philippines.
Honor 400, your AI phone.
Get yours now.
Honor.